All right, welcome to another episode of Steering Wheel Videos for LiveGood products. All right, I'll be your masters of ceremony, or just a master of something anyway, Corey Draper. All right, to prove I'm in front of my steering wheel, there's part of it. All right, how can you see it? Got my Def Leppard shirt on, got my glasses on so I don't look too tired, but I am in my truck right now getting gas, and I just got me a swig. You guys know what a swig is? Let me show you. Because dang it, before you do a LiveGood video, you need a big ass swig. And what you do is you use Diet Mountain Dew because you don't want calories or sugar. Because when you're drinking super reds and super badass stuff from LiveGood, you got to wash it down with no sugar and no calories. So what I do is I buy a kind of a small swig. This is about a 4-pound swig of Mountain Dew, and I put 4 lemons in it. Because dang it, you need some tang. Because it's 85 degrees and I'm in Salt Lake City. Those gorgeous mountains. I live right at the bottom of the Rocky Mountains, and there's over 900 inches of massive snowfall this year, and it's 85 right now. It's going on May 1st tomorrow. There's our clock. That's kind of like Back to the Future. You can get some sake or sake. If you like Japanese sake, go there. They got ramen sushi bar. It might be sake, but I call it sake. And right now it's 5 at night, so right now they didn't pay their power bill. But according to Sake, it's about, well, it looks like it's going on about 12:40 at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So, hey, sometimes you just can't. Clock's nice and accurate. Now, thanks to cell phone technology, you just look at your phone and it's pretty much off the atomic clock. So if I say it's like 5:05 and you guys look down and it's live, it's probably 5:05, unless you're in a different time zone anyway. So, all right, I had a good day. In this video is basically, what do you talk about when you do live video? When it revolves around maybe talking about LiveGood, but you want to not look desperate and say, please join. I still am a big fan of video where you can, if you're in a fun mood, tell people. If you're in kind of a bummed out mood, tell people. If you just are melancholy, and I don't even know what that is, but if your name is Melanie, or if you have a dog that's a collie, maybe your name is Melanie and you got a collie, tell people that. They'll go, God dang, I've never met someone named Melanie with a collie. And then they'll go, God, I wonder if she ever feels melancholy. So you'll make people think like that, and they'll instantly want to join your group because you're fun and not dead ass boring when you're doing steering wheel video. Oh man, it is kind of fun. It's relaxing. I had a badass car show today at Advanced Auto Parts. A very nice time. A lot of people showed up. I'm a big fan of summer and the heat, so it doesn't bug me. Kind of work on my tan a little bit. My melanoma, I guess, is what I'll probably one day, that's my future. It's my destiny, but nice turnout. Got, oh my God, I guess it was about 80 to 100 cars, really. Hot rods, show cars, lowriders, crazy one-of-a-kind frame-off contraptions with 700 horsepower. My favorite car today was a Shelby Mustang convertible. It's only a couple years old, but it has 700 horsepower. It was that turquoise blue, 6-speed, of course, and it had 700 horsepower from the factory, but the owner wanted a couple more, so he ramped it up to 900 horsepower. It gets 21 miles to the gallon. It's a newer body, badass, bonsai buckaroo baller. I was trying to do a lot of bees, but it was a cool car. And if you go to my Facebook page, you can see everything I document. I just don't do everything LiveGood. I know that it's tempting to just do a steering wheel video in front of a steering wheel and talk about LiveGood and maybe things you've done, or the opportunity, or maybe what is exactly in Super Reds. Because is it red? That's the question. When you mix powder of Super Red and water, is it red? I'm not going to tell you. You've got to buy the product and do your video, and I'm going to watch it, and then I'll probably join you. Because if you join me, I'm probably going to join you. If you do interesting videos, I'll watch. If you do videos like this, well, the ingredients are nice, and it's a great opportunity. And right now, there's 200 countries in LiveGood. We decided to kick off the affiliate December 13th. All right, you don't have to be that tense, although I get it. If that's your personality, Don't worry about it. You'll break out of it. Pretty soon you'll start doing parking lot steering wheel video. And you might even do something dumb like a Diet Mountain Dew while you talk about nutrition products. I'm the type of guy that likes half the day packed with nutrition, exercise, whatnot. But then I'm a guy at 8 o'clock at night that gets a hankering for a taco with triple cheese, a crap load of green sauce, and just delicious red hot sauce. And then on top of that, I melt it and put more cheese on it. I believe in quadruple amounts of cheese on my tacos. So I'm not really the best representation of Mr. Exercise and Diet, but I'm halfway there. And 50% is better than nothing. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy doing video. It's my favorite way to kind of relax a little bit, talk about your day, document your life. It's almost like a scrapbook, but you can look back at your videos because, you know, unless they get striked, if there's music in the background or if there's something crazy, the video that you make today, you can watch tomorrow, in a week from now, maybe in a year or 2 or 5. I got videos that are way over 10 years old, and they're kind of fun to see. I can see how young I look and my beard is brown instead of silver. You can kind of check out the hairstyles and what people are wearing in the background. But video is hard to beat on YouTube because if you do a video and if it's just somewhat interesting, it'll be that way every day, 24 hours a day. There's always that one person that might just watch it and say, you know what, live good, it seems good. And in my case, if you watch my videos, get my sense of humor or whatever I'm doing, you might want to join and maybe we can help you out with some good, just basically information on how to TikTok or Instagram, maybe post. You can even do your own blog if you want. You can go to LinkedIn. A lot of people don't want to do YouTube because they might feel embarrassed, but that's cool. You can actually, and you know what I might do, because I got the rest of the afternoon off right now, and I'd hate to waste daylight without doing maybe a couple on the streets or in the mountains, live good video. It's kind of fun. So maybe I'll do a couple examples of how to just walk with your cell phone, and you don't have to be on camera like this. You can just flip it, and there's the mountains, and you can just talk like this. But I'll help anybody do video. You get out of your comfort zone and it becomes addicting. After a while, you realize it's kind of like therapy, helps you not be shy. But like I said, you can just talk like this and just show things, and you can, prove you're in front of a steering wheel, and then hold a Mountain Dew and say, guys, thanks to LiveGood, I'm trying to beat my addiction of Mountain Dew mixed with lemons, and I got 4 of them in there. And thanks to LiveGood, I'm going to go home and have Super Greens and Super Reds to make this Diet Mountain Dew disappear. Kind of like full of shit videos, where you pretend that you're really going to do your best not to drink Mountain Dew, and then you do anyway. A lot of people, they do full of shit videos, and if you don't tell everybody you're full of shit, they'll never know the difference anyway. I'm not even wearing pants right now. Or am I? Okay, I guess I do have shorts on, not pants. Okay, let's go up on the mountains. It's my favorite part of Salt Lake City. I love beaches, I love sun, pools, bikinis, rock and roll, but I'm a big fan of just mountains and streams and rivers. My friend Tara, I just saw her post on Facebook, and over 900 inches of snow turns to water, and boy, the rivers up there, they're gushing like crazy. So I thought maybe go up there, maybe film some running water. It's kind of fun, just there's something calming and soothing about water. And I like to do just on the street videos. I love, everybody does these steering wheel videos. I just want to put the adventures of steering wheel videos. And everybody that's in LiveGood, you just post to that chat room, and everybody maybe can laugh and relax a little bit, and we can all get better on video as we go. So, all right, well, that's enough for now. I'm going to fire my car up. I just had to get me a little swiggy of Diet Mountain Dew. No calories, no sugar. They're still bad for you, but at least there's no sugar and calories. That's full of shit. I'm in denial. I'm literally drinking this and I'm enjoying it, knowing it's bad for me. But I have Super Reds, Super Greens wholesale because I belong, membership-wise, to LiveGood, and I'm an affiliate. Okay, joincorey.com. Click the link below this video, and let's have some fun if you join. I think if we have fun and teach you how to be one badass LiveGood affiliate, that's the way to go. Okay, I'm going to hit the road and give me about 20 minutes and I'll upload another video, but with running water and crazy beautiful things to stare at, except for myself. Okay, thank you very little. I'll see you next video.